Hello all, welcome to the day 36 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A boat moves along the river Ganga near Rishikesh. It travels 24 km upstream and 36 km downstream in a total of 6 hours. In another trip, it travels 36 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6.5 hours. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x km per hour and speed of the stream be y km per hour. Using this information, answer the following questions. Question 1. Represent the first situation algebraically. Let's go back to the question. The first situation is case 1. In upstream, it has traveled a distance of 24 km, and in downstream, it has traveled a distance of 36 km. Total time of travel is 6 hours. The speed of the boat in the still water is x and the speed of the stream is y. During the upstream, the speed of the boat will be x minus y, and in the downstream, the speed of the boat will be x plus y. The time taken to travel in the first case, that is in the upstream, is distance upon speed, that is 24 by x minus y. The time taken to travel in the downstream is 36 upon x plus y. Total time taken for the journey is 6 hours, that is 24 by x minus y plus 36 upon x plus y is equal to 6. Question 2. Represent the second situation algebraically. The second situation is 36 in upstream, 24 in downstream. So case 2, in upstream the distance covered is 36 km and in the downstream the distance covered is 24 km, and the speed of the boat is x minus y, and in downstream the speed of the boat will be x plus y. Here for upstream the time taken is 36 upon x minus y, and the time taken during downstream is 24 upon x plus y. The total time of travel is 6.5 hours, that is 36 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y is equal to 13 by 2. Now question 3, if u is equal to 1 by x minus y and v is equal to 1 by x plus y, find the value of u. So from case 1, the equation is 24 by x minus y plus 36 by x plus y is equal to 6. Let's replace 1 by x minus y with u and 1 by x plus y as v is equal to 6. Dividing this equation by 6, we get 4u plus 6v is equal to 1. So this is a reduced first equation. From case 2, we have 36 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y is equal to 13 by 2. So here 1 by x minus y is u, so 36u plus 1 by x plus y is v, so 24v is equal to 13 by 2, which is 72u plus 48v is equal to 13. So this is the equation 2. Multiplying the first equation by 8, we get 32u plus 48v is equal to 8. And the second equation is 72u plus 48v is equal to 13. Now subtracting these two equations, we get minus 40u is equal to minus 5. U is 1 upon 8. Substituting the value of u in equation 1, 4 times 1 by 8 plus 6v is equal to 1. So half plus 6v is 1. 6v is 1 upon 2 and v is 1 upon 12. Question 4, find the speed of the boat in still water. Question 5 is find the speed of the stream. That is, we have to get x and y. With the help of u and v, let's get x and y. 1 upon x minus y is u. That is, 1 by x minus u is equal to 1 by 8. Reciprocating this, we get x minus y is equal to 8. And 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 12. X plus y is equal to 12. So let this be 3 and 4. Equation 3 plus equation 4 gives us 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. Substituting this x equal to 10 in any one of these equations. Let's go with equation 3. X minus y is equal to 8. 10 minus y is 8. Y is equal to 2. Speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. This is the answer for question 1. This is the answer for question 2. And third one is finding the value of u. This is the answer for question 3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.